Hello, and thank you for watching Direct Systems Tutorials. Today we're going to do an overview of the Job Cost Manager module, and you will see that there is the File and Reports drop-down tabs. These are the only tabs in this module because all of the information that comes in here is entered in other modules. This is a receivable module. It is not where you edit anything. Other than some small little details. And so, which you don't even have to do because it should pull it through automatically. So if you go to File, the only thing that you would really want to be doing in here is to be looking at, not really editing, edit the Job Master file, which brings up this screen here. And this is the example that I'm going to be using today, the McGregor Industrial. So I'm going to click on Edit. And this is what it's pulled through from the job that was put in customer service dispatch because it has had a billing charge transferred over to AR already. It will not show here until the billing has been transferred over to AR because there is no revenue to be tracked until that happens. And so we've got this here that pulls through all the information that was entered. For instance, I've just used 111 as the file number just to keep it simple. And this I figured it was a COD job just to use it as an example. You could enter here, if you hadn't done so in customer service dispatch, a sales agent, driver, account, things like that. You can put in a job estimate and other information here at this point. The job profit button allows you to see what revenue has been entered for this particular job already and what costs have been entered for this job already. And on that initial billing charge, there was a total revenue of $1,400 and a commission of $36. And that is why this screen looks like it does. So that's how this information gets over here. And now we're going to go over to AP and have a look at how the jobs get costs associated with them. So when you go into Record Invoices and you find the particular vendor that you are actually going to be paying for whatever cost this is, then you go through to enter your invoice number, and just jump over here because that's what we need next. So there was a $100 invoice, and here is what you're used to seeing, where you would enter the GL number for that particular cost. But then you've got the job number aspect here, where you can then go and search by file number. And so since I entered it as 111, that's how I'm going to find it. Because this number here is generated automatically in Job Cost Manager and is not related to the job number in Customer Service Dispatch. So once I've clicked on OK, this invoice looks as you would expect it to. And therefore, you would just go ahead and click on Record Entry. And as soon as that is done, over in Job Cost Manager, we now will have that extra $100 costed to this job. And so that's how the system works. Any revenue that gets applied to this will come here, and any costs that get applied will come here. And the other drop down here is just the reports that you can run here, which are very basic. Standard jobs reports displays jobs starting with the job number so that you select, or print a listing of all the jobs within a numeric range that that you've selected. Selected jobs will be displaying or printing jobs matching the selection criteria entered. Just to kind of give you an idea of what you can choose here, that's what that looks like. So you can get all the jobs that have a specific set of information there. And then reports by GL number just displays jobs where they were posted to a specific general ledger account so that you can, for a selected posting month year, so if you're searching for something, you can find it easily. So hopefully this has helped to explain how the Job Cost Manager module works. And if you have any questions, do let us know. Thank you very much.